Ever found yourself mid-interview, mid-performance, or mid-anything important, and your Nikon D3500 cuts off your video recording at just 20 minutes? That frustrating 20-minute recording limit on your Nikon D3500 is a common hurdle for many aspiring filmmakers and content creators. But thankfully, there are ways around it. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to get longer, uninterrupted footage for your projects. Let's dive in. The most reliable and professional way to bypass the 20-minute limit is by using an external video recorder. Your D3500 has an HDMI output port. This port allows you to send a clean, uncompressed video signal directly to an external device. You'll need a compatible external recorder and an HDMI cable. Simply connect the HDMI output of your D3500 to the HDMI input of your external recorder, then set your D3500 to record in live view mode. On your D3500, navigate to the movie settings. Ensure you're set to record in a quality like 1080p 60 frames per second, or whatever resolution and frame rate suits your needs. The key is to initiate recording on your external device after it starts receiving the signal from your camera. Once connected and configured, you'll start the recording on your external recorder. This device doesn't have the same internal limitations as your camera, allowing for much longer recording times, often limited only by the capacity of your storage media. After your session, you'll transfer the footage from your external recorder, not your camera's SD card, and you'll have your extended takes ready for editing. While this method involves additional gear, it's the most effective way to achieve true extended recording sessions with your Nikon D3500, opening up a world of possibilities for vlogging, interviews, events, and much more. So go capture that extended story.